Welcome to the video Demystifying Affiliate Marketing, breaking down the myth barriers. There are many myths flying around the affiliate marketing space about how to be successful, how hard it is to be successful, and what you actually need to have a successful affiliate marketing business. In this section, we will break the myth barriers and show you that you are only a few steps away from breaking out of all the mysteries and negativity and prove to yourself that this is a viable home business opportunity. The size of your email list is one of the biggest misconceptions out there. People say you need a huge list to make money with affiliate marketing, and that's simply just not true. The quality of the list is more important than the size. Just because you can mail 100,000 subscribers does not mean that you can make any sales. Having a list of buyers is 100 times better than having a list of subscribers that have only opted in for your free report. Now, those free subscribers can and will make purchases from you, but someone that has already purchased from you and you are already starting to build trust with them will make more purchases because you have recommended it to them. So the bigger the email list with buyers will in turn produce your higher commissions and profits from your efforts to deliver quality and value to them. It's not just about delivering promotions to them all the time, but also giving them advice and showing them results. But sending clickable links in every email is important to have them view your recommendations on a regular basis. Emailing daily is a must to keep you and your brand at the top of your subscribers' mind and inbox. Don't let yourself be forgotten. If you're not emailing your list at least once a day, you are definitely leaving money on the table. When people first begin making a new list and check how many subscribers they have, they tend to see an email list with a huge number of subscribers as a successful one. Well, at some point it's important, but not the sole measurement of a successful affiliate email marketing campaign. In fact, many marketers worry and do their best to maintain their overall number of subscribers on their lists. Keeping subscribers is important, but is not the only stat to focus on. There are other metrics that you should consider to determine how good your email list is and how good your email campaigns perform, such as message open rates, click-throughs on your links, and sales conversions. Now, bonuses are designed to persuade your potential customer into buying a product through your affiliate link and not from another affiliate. If the customer can get something that adds value or the bonus is more valuable than the product selling price, surely it will be converted into improved conversions for you. Bonuses mean more value to the original offer. In fact, most of the time, bonuses are usually worth more than what the products are worth themselves. Yes, you are selling the same thing as other affiliates servicing the same market. However, by having bonuses that are truly valuable, customers would prefer your offer. Everyone seems to be convinced that this will be the case due to the features and benefits offered by the product. Having a well-written bonus offer could make the promotion come together a lot easier. Bonuses give a greater incentive for the customer to purchase through your affiliate link. Bonuses are obviously designed and implemented with the aim to increase sales, and they must be readily available and accessible to all customers upon completion of their purchase. The concept of using bonuses is easy to create and implement, and the result is both rewarding and very profitable. Now, here are some ways for you to create bonuses. To start with, by doing it yourself is actually the easiest way to create a bonus offer, though a little bit of effort is needed to prepare it, just like doing a little research for a special report. Preparation saves you money. You don't need to spend much in making a bonus available to your customers when you do it yourself. Another and easier route is often used in affiliate marketing is the use of private label rights. Private label rights are products where the content is already prepared and you can actually buy its ownership. This is a good choice if you don't have your own content yet. This would save time and effort, and you can use it as a bonus right away. You are given the option to edit it if you want to make it more unique and brand yourself and your business. What about creating a number of different bonus items? It's actually possible even if you don't have enough resources. Negotiating a joint venture with other affiliates can be very beneficial to both of you if you follow this route. This becomes a viable option when affiliates in one joint venture add individual bonus to create a great bonus offering to your customers. But of course, the return of investment from a joint venture must be fairly distributed to each affiliate. This strategy enables you to secure a sale by giving the customers more than what they have paid. Now remember, it's not always about the size of your list that will make you successful. By providing more value, you will get more response from your subscribers, creating more commissions in the end. And I'll leave you with one final quote. If you absolutely can't stay positive, don't go negative. Just cruise neutral for a while until you can get back up. I'll see you in the next video.